Find red nga yung find red. Find red. Okay. Happy. Find red. Find red yung. Find red. The pink. Color mo here. Find red. That's not red. Orange. That's orange. Find red. That's orange. Okay. Color mo orange. Find red. Find red. This one's red.
Yung mga tapos na, pwede pa kayo lagyan na pangalan sa likod na ba? Dahil ipasa niyo pa kay teacher. Blue. Hindi yan.
This one. This one na. Get yellow. Yellow, please. Yellow. Why? Wala pa.
Color pa. Ito pa.
Ito yung color. Like this. Yeah. Ito dito ba? Red. Get red. Can you get red, please?
One only.
Can you get red, Yo-Yo? Can you get red? Wait na. Can you get red? Color this red. Red. Red, please.